Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to communicate effectively with your team in COD Warzone Mobile. Well, to do that, before diving into the game, ensure you and your team are on the same communication platform. Whether it's in a game voice chat, a third-party app like Discord, or any other platform, make sure everyone is comfortable with and has access to it. At the beginning of each match, establish clear objectives and strategies with your team. This could include deciding on a drop location, assigning roles, and outlining a plan for looting and engagement. COD Warzone Mobile offers a ping system that allows you to communicate with your team without using voice chat. Use this system to mark enemy locations, highlight loot, indicate your intended direction, and request assistance. Mastering the ping system can significantly enhance your team's coordination, especially when your voice communication isn't visible. When using voice chat, speak clearly and calmly. Avoid shouting or cluttering the comms with unnecessary chatter. Concise and relevant communication is key to keeping your team focused and informed during intense engagements. Constantly communicate enemy position and movement to your team, whether you spot enemies on the horizon or in close proximity. Providing timely information can help you teammates make informed decisions and prepare for engagements. Keep your team informed about available resources such as spare armor plates, ammunition, and weapon upgrades. Additionally, communicate any equipment you come across that may benefit your teammates, such as UAVs or loadout drops. Coordinate your team's movement effectively to maintain map control and strategic positioning. Communicate when it's time to rotate to a new zone, reposition during a firefight, or regroup after skirmish. Encourage your teammates to actively listen to each other and acknowledge important calls and information. And that's how to communicate effectively with your team in Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.